Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey. Welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Mielle Organics Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream with Babasu oil. If you guys want to know about this product, stay tuned. So, as you guys heard by the title, saw the thumbnail, clicked on the video, and read the title, I'm going to talk about the Mielle Organics Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream with Babasu oil. There's a lot of title to that because, I have to hold this up because there's a lot of freaking title, okay? So, let's get on with the get on. All right, I don't remember where I picked this up. I think I picked this up at Target. I'm fairly sure it was Target. So maybe Sally's, I don't remember. Like I said, it's been a while since I grabbed this product. And I knew I was doing some other Mielle Organics videos. So I kind of wanted to do these in succession. Like last week, you guys saw the pomegranate and honey. Now you're going to see the Babasu oil. As you guys seen in the Babasu oil, I use the Babasu conditioning shampoo. I use that all the time. That is what I washed my hair with this week. Also, as I did that whole month that I used the pomegranate and honey. I also use the Babasu oil mint deep conditioner on my hair, like I always do. And as you all can see, I am empty and this is my second jar. I don't think I'm going to repurchase yet because I have another deep conditioner I want to try out first. So, but as you guys are going to see in the footage sitting here to my left, you're going to actually see me apply the curl cream in the shower. This is like my second time actually recording in the shower. The first time you guys never saw it because it just didn't come out very well. So, so as you guys see, I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner. Then after that, I'm going to put in some sweet almond oil into my hair to seal in the moisture with the oil. And from there, in all four of my sections, and from there, I'm going to use the white peony leave-in conditioner. I have used this before in my very first Mielle Organics when I was saying the name wrong. I forgot where I was saying it. I can't even remember how I was saying it. Mielle or Mielle. I forgot how I was saying it. I was saying it wrong. and I was corrected after the fact. Thank God I got corrected because I did 2 more videos for Mielle Organics. Thank God. So I used the white peony leave-in conditioner instead of the pomegranate and honey because I wanted to pull this back out and use it with this conditioner. With this curl cream. I do like this leave-in conditioner. I especially love that it's a spray deep conditioner. And I love the actual sprayer. I think you can get it covers a good amount of real estate on your hair with the sprayer. I really like it that way. So on to the star of the show, the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream with Babasu oil. As you guys are going to see me apply it in some of my sections. You're not going to see all 4 sections because that's just too much. And as you see it going into the section, you don't see it like melt in my hair the way normal products melt into my hair. So why is that, you may ask? I don't know. The product did not melt into my hair. And it really upset me, I should say. So I ended up, as you see, after waiting an hour, after I got out the shower, I waited about an hour to see if it was actually going to work. And it didn't. I ended up having to put my hair in a twist out and it didn't work. It seriously did not work. It worked, but it didn't work. It It didn't work. It didn't work the way I like it. Normally with twist outs, my hair comes out shiny and I get really great definition all the way to the ends. And this time my hair wasn't very shiny and my ends were still kind of frizzy. My hair was actually fully dry. I also let it, I kept it in a twist on Monday because I didn't go out. I didn't go anywhere Monday. I was home. And I took it down on Tuesday. It looked nice, but it took some wrangling to get it the way I wanted to. And then Tuesday, my hair was all out. And then today, Thursday, and today is Friday, I've had to put my hair up in a flat twist on one side because the twist did not come out very well when I took my twist down. Because as you all know, I do retwist my hair every night. Sometimes I do. Now, I don't do it as much as I used to. It just didn't work out. It really didn't work out. And it was, I wasn't a gigantic fan of it. So the big question I ask on every video, would I buy the product again? No, I wouldn't. I really wouldn't buy this product again. Maybe this will work under a gel. Maybe. Maybe this will work under the pomegranate and honey gel. I don't know. Maybe but by itself for a wash and go, no. By itself for a twist out, no. It didn't work out very well. And it was kind of disappointing, especially after last week and using the pomegranate and honey line for a long period of time. It didn't work out. But this product, not so much. I just wasn't a fan, and it really, really kind of upsetting. So that is it. My battery light is flashing, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and charge the battery on my camera. And I'm gonna get out of here. So if you guys have any questions on any of the products, talk to me below. On the curly cream, talk to me below. If you guys have any products that you want me to talk about and review, talk to me below. Let me know. I do have some products here that I haven't used yet that I will be using soon. And I have a list of new products I want to try here in the new year. So we have 52 weeks. Let me know. Also, if you guys have any makeup that you guys want me to try out and let me know about that too. I'll talk about that too, y'all know. So I'm gonna get out of here. As you guys look right here, we got last week and 2 weeks ago, well, last week and 2 weeks ago videos, so you guys can take a look at those, see what you like, let me know, talk to me, and I gotta go. I'm gonna go and clean my kitchen because that's what I need to do today. So I'm out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.